Hi, in this video I'm going to solve practice questions for using chart to display. Okay, number one. We can see from here, study the diagram carefully and answer the question about it. So what type of chart is this? So this chart type we call pictogram. What does the chart show? So this is show the number of students in each year. Group in a school. Okay, what does each full symbol represent? We can see from the key is 30 students. So we can write it here, 30 students. How are 15 students show on the chart? So we can just make it a half, a stick figure. Because full figure is 30, so make it a half. This is gonna be 15. Next, how many students are there in year 8? So let's check it, year 8. Okay, here. So how many 30? 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7 times 30 and addition by a half of 30, which is 15. So this is equal to 225. So let's check it. Which year group has the most? Okay, we can see from the diagram. Okay, here is the most. So how many others? So let's write it. This is year 11. So how many others? Let's see how many 30 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this means, okay, let's write it here. 9 times 30 plus by 15. So this will give us the answer of 285 students. Do you think these are accurate or rounded figures? Why? I believe that this gonna be the rounded. Why? Because unlikely the year groups will all be multiples of 15. It can be multiples of 10, like we got 20 students. So this is by rounded, I think. Number 2. Neres did a survey to find out how much time his friends spend on social media during the day. Wow, okay, these are the results. Draw a pictogram to show this data. So this is the pictogram. So let's make it. This is Alain. This is Lee, Jean, and then David. David. So I will make it with the whole circle. This means represent 1. So let's write it, Alain. So this is time spent on social media. Okay, this is the key, equal to 1 circle. So this is 1 hour. So let's take it, align 2.5 hours. So let's make it 1 circle, 2.5. Let's erase it. Okay, 2.5 hours. So next is Lee. So whole is 1 hour and 1/3 of circle. Okay, let's Yeah, it is. Okay, 1/3. Next, we got giant 4 hours and 3/4. So 4 hours, let's make it 4. So 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it's not perfect. 3, 4, and 3/4. Okay, it's not that good. Okay, so we can delete it this. Okay, 3/4. Next is 2 hour and 1/4. Oh, 1, 2, sorry, 2 hours, and then okay, let's erase it. Okay, that is it. This is depend on you. You can draw as games or as pawns. Up to you. I pick a circle. Next, number 3. Study the two bar charts. So the A is home language of students in grade 10 and B is a favorite sport of students in grade 10. What does chart A show? I just show it to you. So this is Bahasa and Chinese. So the number of students in grade 10 whose home language is Bahasa and Chinese. Okay. B. How many students have Bahasa as a home language? Okay, it's 18. Next. How many students were included in the survey? So 18 plus 20 is 30. Next, D. What does chart B show? So the favorite sport of students in grade 10. Yeah, in grade 10. Like soccer, basketball, and athletic. This separated by class 10A and then 10B. Next, which sport is the most popular in class 10A? So 10A, we got athletic the most. Athletics. So which sport is most popular in class 10B? Okay, so the highest, the same thing is athletics. Next, G. How many students choose basketball as their favorite sport? Where's basketball? Okay, we go. This is 5 and 4. Total of 9 students. Next, number 4. The table below show the type of food that students in hostess choose for breakfast. So grade 10 cereal. Okay. For number 4, we need to draw a single chart to show the total number of students who choose each breakfast. So first, bread. So I would make it like, okay, we can make it like here, bread. So this is bread. After bread, we got hot for this, and then bread. So let's make it total so we can know the range. This is 10. Hot for this is gonna be 28, and bread is gonna be 22. Okay, 22. Okay, so we can make it in the scale of, if this is 22, okay, let's make it, each is on 4. So this is 0, 2, not 2, 4. Okay, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Okay, this is not enough. So we can take it down. So I took all of them. Okay, I'll take it down. 24. Okay, after 24, we got 28, and then 32. After 32, I think 32 is the most. So this is the table. Okay, let us make it. So this is the frequency. So let's write it. This is a frequency, and this is the breakfast food chosen. So bread is 10. So 10 is, we can make it around here, 10. Oh, it's not 2. Okay, this is bread of 10. Next is hot porridge is 28. So 28 is here, we can see it. So this 28. Next, 22 in between. So 22 is somewhere around here between. Oh, 22. Okay, there it is. Next, let's see the question. Draw a composite bar chart to show the breakfast food choice for student by grade. Okay, let's make it another from here. Okay, let's make it separate, better. So starting by frequency. We start by 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 32. Okay, this is bread, and then hot porridge, and then bread and bread again. Okay, my bad. So this is not bread. It has to be cereal. Also not bread. This is cereal. After that is bread. Okay, there it is. So let's use two color. Green is grade 10. So 10. So this is 8. And Harvard is of 16. And bread is 12. Next, blue. Blue, that is grade 11. So only 2. So somewhere between here. And it's 12. So 16 plus 12 is here. Next, 12 plus 10. So 10 from 12 is going to be 22. So somewhere around here. Okay, there it is for number 4. Next, number 5. Jyoti recorded the number and type of 180 vehicles passing her home in Bengaluru. She drew the pie chart to show. Okay, which type of vehicle was most common? Okay, the biggest, look at here, the biggest. We got cars. Okay, next. What percentage of the vehicle were tuk-tuks? Where is tuk-tuks? Okay, where is tuk-tuks here? How many percentage? Okay, next we got how many truck here? How many truck are there? So we will see the information later. 180. So let's write it. Total of 180 vehicle. Okay, and then next, which type of vehicle were less common? So we got handcraft here and bicycle. So let's write it. Hand cart and bicycle. Okay, I think I need to rewrite it, make it clear. So first is hand, card, and bicycle. Okay. Okay, now how can we find the percentage? Remember, the whole is 100%. But how can we find the percentage of it? So we need to remember the formula. So it's n over 360 degree times by 100. Okay, 100. So we should know the angle of each. So here we don't know yet the angle, but we can find it out from here. Okay, this is the 0. What is the angle? Where is 0? Okay, from here. Okay, here, okay, there. This angle is from 110 to 110 to okay, 250. So 110 into 50, the difference is 60. So we can write it here, 60 over 360 degree times 100. So this is gonna be 1 over 6, yeah, times 100. That is approximately around, yeah, make it decimal, yeah, 16.667, or we can round it as 17%. So we should have the factor to know the angle of each. So next is track. This is just approximately of my ruler, so we should find it with your angle to accurate. So this is 6 to, let's check it, 6 to, okay, 146, is it? See, this is 6. Okay, 2. Oh, it's too high. We can make it 6 to, is it 140? I think it's something also. So okay, 6. I see. So 146. But this is not 146. If this is 146, so we minus it. Okay, we minus, sorry, for this one first, minus 180, the difference 6, and this is 4. Okay, with 34. So the difference between 6 and 34 is 28. Okay, we got 28. So let's find it. So 28. So this is 17%. So this is 28 over 360 degree. We multiply with 180 degree. So it's gonna be 28 over 2, because we simplify it, it's gonna be 14. So this is just approximately 14. So we need to use your protractor to know the angles of each. Okay, next, number 6. In an exam, the result for 120 students were 5% attained an A grade. Look at it, 5% is A, 12% is B, and 41% is C, and 25% is D. And the rest attain a grade of lower. Okay. This is we need to use a factor, but I don't have one. So this is you will use it, but I will convert into the angle. So if 120 students, so this is for A. So the student who got A will be 5 over 100 times 360. This is equal to 18. So A is, we need to make it 18 degree. And B is gonna be 5 and 12%. It means 12 over 100 times 360 degree. So this gonna be B 43 degree. Next, we got C. So it means 25 over 100% over 100 times 360 degree. So let's simplify 4. So this is gonna be 148 degree. Isn't it? 20%. Okay, 5% of 360. Okay, we got it. It's gonna be 2. Okay. Okay, there it is, 148 for C. Now for D. I was got a mistake. So this is not 25. C is 41. So 41 over 100 times 360 will give us the answer of 148 degree. So we got 5%, 12%, 41%, and now is 25% for D. So times 360 degree, this will be 90 degree. So we got 5 plus, okay, we can write it from here, 5 plus 12 plus 41 plus 25. Okay, we can count it from here, 5 plus 12 plus 41 plus 25. So this is 83. So for E, it's gonna be 17% times 360 degree, which will give us the answer of 61 degree. So you can draw a pie chart, use this degree. I don't have the that angle factor. So B, how many students attain an A? So let's make it 5 over 100 times 120. So its total is 6. Next, how many students attain D or lower? D or lower. So D is, how many percent is D? 25 and 17. So this is 242% times 120 divided. Okay, so this will give us the answer of 50. Next, which grade was attained by the most students? Okay, this 41 degree is C. Okay, there it is. Last question. The line graphs represent the average monthly temperature and the average monthly rainfall in the desert in Egypt. What is the maximum temperature? Let's see from here. Maximum temperature is, what is this? Okay, we need to count it. Okay, here it's not touch, so it's 29 point something. So let's write it. It could be 29.7 or plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. In what month is the average temperature above 20? Okay, here. So we got from April to November. Is Egypt in the northern or southern hemisphere? Okay, so the Egypt is on northern hemisphere. Next, is the temperature ever below freezing point zero? Okay, never. So let's write it no. Next, what is the average rainfall in November? Where is November? Here is November. The average is 10 millimeter. In which month is the average rainfall is 7? 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, February. So this is February. Next, G. Looking at the both graphs, what can you say about the rainfall when the temperature are high? When the temperature are high is April and April. Okay, 2 millimeter. So there is little or no rain. Okay, there it is. Thank you.